Ah, tortellino.
Tortellone.
Ah, tortellone ring. I do, man, I do. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're in Chianti, Italy, and we're staying here with our friends Marta and Bernardo in Selvabella, and they're gonna teach us how to make the perfect tortellones. And if you're wondering what the difference between tortellinis and tortellones are, it's just the size. When they're a little bit bigger, we call them tortellones. Let's start off by preparing the pasta dough. Now, to create a perfect consistency every time, we highly recommend that you weigh all of your ingredients before. Today we're going to be using doppio zero flour, which is a flour that is much finer than the regular all-purpose flour that you're used to. This is going to help give the dough more elasticity. Now, to keep things a little cleaner, inside of the bowl with the flour, we're going to create a little well, and then we're going to crack one egg inside of it. We're going to beat the egg inside, then we're going to slowly incorporate all of the flour. Once it's all incorporated and we get all the flour from the outside rims of the dough, then we can go ahead and transfer it over to a board, and then we can start kneading it. Kneading the pasta dough is one of the funnest parts. It's going to be pretty simple. All you're going to do is use your palm and kind of push forward and roll the dough out and then bring it back. You're going to continue to do this for about roughly 10 to 15 minutes until when you poke the dough, you're going to see it kind of bounce back a little bit. And now you let it rest. 30 minutes, don't touch. Add some wine. While the pasta is resting, it's a perfect time to go ahead and prepare the filling. We're going to be using a blend of riboila cheese and Parmesan cheese. If you can't find riboila cheese, a good substitute would be a cream cheese. Then add some fresh black pepper, salt, and grate a little bit of fresh nutmeg. Mix all together, and that's it. That's our filling. Simple, but it's gonna be delicious, trust me. Now that our pasta dough has been rested, it's time to go ahead and roll it out. If you have a pasta roller, that's gonna be probably the easiest way to get this done, but if not, we'll show you how to do it with a simple rolling pin, just how Grandma used to make. To help ensure that the pasta has an even thickness, we recommend to roll it out in a circle. And while you're pushing forward with the rolling pin, if you move your hands in and out, it's going to help ensure, again, that you have even thickness throughout. Now, an easy test to see when your pasta dough is thin enough is to just slide a business card right under the pasta, and if you can read the text, it's ready to go. Now with the pasta dough, what we want to do is create perfect squares. You can use a pasta cutter like this, or try your luck and do it with a knife and try to get it as perfectly square as possible. Now to add the fillings, remember a small amount of filling is going to be the best because you want it to be able to be closed and you don't want these to explode or spill out when you're cooking them. Then you want to fold over and create kind of a triangle, and with your thumbs go ahead and press down until you can feel that the pasta itself has sealed together. Then fold up the sides and then go ahead and wrap it around your finger and then give it a nice pinch on the bottom so that it basically joins together and creates one uniform piece in the bottom there. And that's it. Here's our first tortellone. Lastly, let's make our butter sage sauce. It's going to be simple, 2 ingredients. We're going to add some butter and then we're going to cut up some pieces of sage. Put it into a pot and cook it on a very, very low heat. Now in a pot with salted water, you're going to go ahead, once it's boiling, drop in all of our tortellones, and we're going to wait until they're all cooked. Just because they're floating does not mean that they're cooked. We're going to have to just taste one and then you'll know. Now preparing the plate, we're going to just add some Parmesan cheese on the bottom, and when we add our hot pasta to it, it's going to help melt it down a little bit and give us a nice crunch. We're going to drizzle over our butter sage sauce, grate some more Parmesan cheese because who doesn't love more cheese, and voila, that's it. This is our butter sage tortellones. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.